Greetings and thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to look at one of the most beautiful designed computers ever, the IBM M70 Type 8570. And this computer it's just incredible. Everything about it is unbelievable. That power on button, that feeling of just turning on this computer is amazing. That 1.44 floppy drive is just, it's great. I own the M30 also, but it runs with 720k, so this is 144. It's perfect on this one. The PS2 mouse, keyboard, parallel serial ports, built-in VGA, and a net card. As you can see, this is the Type 8570 IBM UK. I mean, this computer is just, it's such a dream machine, guys. I love this one. So let's just go ahead and just unscrew these two screws at the back, and then we can just check up the top. Really nice and well thought, but still simple design. I love everything about this. They don't build computers like this anymore. But let's just go ahead and take a closer look inside. As you can see, it's pretty dusty inside. This computer has not been used for many years. As I understand, it's from 1989, I think. But look at this. Taking off a floppy drive. It's just a simple click system. At the bottom, you just push that up and just slide off the drive. No power cable. Everything is just built in. No ribbon cable. It's just so nicely done, man. The construction of this is beautiful. Let's check out the hard disk. As you can see, just push the plastic down and just take this one off. Now this computer, they're not, I mean, in Denmark, they're just almost, yeah, they're almost not to find anywhere, guys. I saw this one. I got this computer. It did cost me 1,000 Danish kroners, 130 euros plus shipping. And I mean, the hard disk alone is worth more money than that. So I got it really cheap. It cost me maybe 150 euros. I mean, I would buy that every day of the week. That's a fantastic price. Check out eBay after watching this video. Just check out the 8570, how much they cost on eBay. So yeah, that's the battery. That's the built-in speaker, guys. I mean, again, really nice construction. You just pull out these plastics. Now this is the first time I I see one of these. I own one of these, but looks really nice. As you can see, no ribbon cable. This little daughter board, it just connects the motherboard and just gives, you know, connection and power for the hard disk, and you can have 2 disk drives at front. Really nice, simple solution. Incredible, guys. So more plastic thingies you just have to push up. But to my big surprise, I found that it's got this little plastic thing at the bottom. And check this one out. It is actually for, yeah, pulling out these plastic thingies. Isn't that just neat? I like that. Let's just, yeah, there we go. Check out the top and see what's underneath this beauty. Don't you like that construction? I mean, really nice done. Yeah, just a bit dusty, as you can see. Oh man, it's just, yeah. It's not smelly, doesn't smell of anything at all. That's nice. No smoker, no nothing like that. But it's not something I want to clean inside. So yeah, this computer is going outside and it's gonna be cleaned the proper way because as you can see, nothing I want to work with as it is right now. But yeah, look at all that dust, man. Wow. Can't even see what CPU. I mean, it looks crazy. So yeah, before we do anything, let's take it outside and clean this beauty. Are you ready, guys? Check this out. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Well, it took some time to make it look like this, but this computer is just, it's amazing. My M30 is only a 7 megahertz 86 processor, but this one, as you can see, it's a 386 from 1985. The CPU's from 85, 86. So that means I can actually use this one and play some old games that ran with the 386. Some of the games from the Amiga era I can play with on this computer. So the looks of it, perfect. Design, perfect. Retro, everything is just perfect with this one. So I just want to clean everything up and use this one because my M30 is just, it's too slow, man. But this is just, this is beautiful. So let's just install everything again. As you can see, just this stuff on the top here and this little card. There we go. Such a nice solution, man. Look at this. Everything is just it's just ready to go. I love this stuff. And look at how simple you just slide this one in. Look at this, man. Back in the 80s. So simple. No screws, no nothing. No ribbon cables, no loose power cables. Everything is just, I love this stuff. That's just installed. We got the floppy drive there. 1.44. Simple stuff, guys. Look at that hard disk. It's 60 megabyte. I mean, this hard disk alone would cost me more than 1,000 Danish kroners. So this is really, really cheap, man. Really, really cheap. There we go. All installed and ready to be used. Look at this beauty. Okay, guys, I'm ready to turn this one on. I just want to check the battery. As you can see, it's got this lovely Panasonic battery. No leaking, no nothing like that. It's just beautiful. Let's just measure the voltage. As I can read, it needs to have 6 volts, and as we can see, 1.7, so the battery is dead. Moment of truth. First of all, I'm gonna check my safety goggles on, because those small orange caps, they can actually explode everywhere. So I'm gonna put them on, and I'm gonna give this power for the first time in many years. Now, the seller told me this was from a company in Denmark called Danfoss, so I had to delete everything on the hard disk. So I'm gonna do that. I'm not interested in their personal stuff, but let's just give this one some power on together, guys. Safety is on, so wish me luck. I inserted this net card also, so yeah. Turn on the LCD, and 3, 2, 1. Oh, it spins. Oh, it sounds nice. No beep. Oh, no. Here it is, analog input. Oh, Oh, bummer. All right. Well, the fan spins, as you can hear. We got power. The hard disk spins. We don't get the beep. The battery should have 6 volt. It only has 1.7. So yeah, it is what it is, guys. But it should still, with a dead battery, it should still boot, you know. I love that. Let's try it again. Yeah, the hard drive spins up. It loads. You can hear it tries to read, but oh man, nothing on the screen. I will try to touch the CPU. Don't do something like this, guys. Yeah, it is on. You can feel the CPU is getting power. It can also be dead RAM. Don't know, guys. All this cleaning for nothing? Yeah, it is what it is. Well, I've been reading, Googling about this, and I have found 3 other projects, people writing about this 8570, this particular model. 3 other guys that has exactly the same problem with exactly the same motherboard, same computer, same pictures, everything. And they just turn it on after many years, and you know, everything runs but no picture on the monitor. So on all 3 threads you can just search for, you know, 8570 no picture. People writes there that, now I don't know if this is the reason, I don't know, but when the battery is dead, you know, under 6 volt, over the years the BIOS ROM will be deleted, partially deleted. So the advice on all three threads are, you know, burn a new BIOS chip, install a new 6 volts battery, turn this one on, and it will work. I don't know if that's the solution, or just a dead RAM, or, you know, dead CPU. It could be some different stuff, but yeah, it is what it is, guys. It could be nice if it just booted up. I would love to, you know, clean that hard disk, install MS-DOS 6.22 and put in some games, because it runs a 386, 16 megahertz, 60 megabyte hard disk, 1.44 floppy drive, so I can use my other games on floppy disks, because I don't have nothing on 720K, but 144, a lot of great games, man. I would love to play, you know, Chaos Engine and Monkey Island on this. It could be nice, man. But yeah, another day, another video, another project. I don't know, guys. I just want to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this cleanup video, and I'll see you on the next video, I hope.